Hi, job seekers. Are you an experienced maintenance electrician ready to take on a new challenge? Here's your chance to join Nafasi Water, a pioneering leader in water technology and sustainability. Be a part of a team dedicated to excellence and innovation, where your skills will make a tangible impact every day. Don't miss this opportunity to advance your career and contribute to meaningful change in the industry. Visit Jobportunities.net via the link in the video description to learn more and to submit your application. Stay connected for more career-transforming opportunities. Introducing your new virtual assistant at Jobportunities.net. Navigating your career path just got easier with our advanced chatbot. Whether you're seeking guidance on crafting the perfect CV, writing a compelling cover letter, or exploring our platform, this intelligent assistant is here to support you every step of the way. Say goodbye to guesswork. Our chatbot makes it effortless to navigate the site seamlessly. Get personalized advice on polishing your CV and cover letter. Access motivational content to boost your confidence and career prospects. Quickly find the resources you need to succeed. Here's how to get started. Visit Jobportunities.net. Click the chatbot icon at the bottom right corner. Start chatting for instant, accurate guidance. This is your personal career coach designed to help you shine. Try it today and take the first step toward unlocking your full potential. Dive into a world of resources designed to propel your career forward. Here, you'll find everything from exciting job openings to expert tips on crafting standout CVs and cover letters. We're not just about finding you a job. We're here to fuel your ambitions and celebrate every milestone you achieve. Stay inspired, stay informed. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep growing with us. When you share our content, you're not only advancing your own journey, but empowering friends to chase their dreams with renewed confidence. Signing off from the vibrant shores of Swakopmund, we're cheering you on every step of the way. Until next time, take care and keep reaching for those dreams.